Cardinality validation. It's going to be a fun topic. This is one of the most underutilized features, I think, when it comes to joining data in pandas. Uh, Unlike SQL, where you kind of have to do this manually, all you have to do when you join data in pandas is add an extra keyword, and it can validate that you have the right cardinality between two data sets. Okay, so far I'm just loading the same data that we have in the previous video. Now let's say I have the two data frames, df, locus, and I'm going to use merge here, do the same join that we did before. But I know that the join ID I'm using, which is this location ID, should appear many times in the data frame, but only once in the location ID. So I'll add a validate many to one keyword there. At the end, I'll run that and things are great because that validation passed. But let's say I have the wrong idea in mind. Like, I don't know, I'm just going to say one to many here. I suddenly get an error message back and it tells me that validation's wrong. I would get the same thing if I picked 1 to 1, which isn't, meaning that location ID would only appear once in each data set. I get that same validation with join, right? So I could just use validate here and it works the same way. This honestly is a killer feature. You should use in your code, right? Like, this is such an easy way to prevent bad data from kind of drifting in your data pipeline, and it just helps you comprehensively ensure data quality.